I am telling about the financial manager, which is ninth chapter in your business studies. What are the factors affecting the working capital requirements? There are various factors. Apart from that, in the business, nature of business comes first. Business influences the amount of working capital by nature of business carried on in an organization. You should know whether it is a manufacturing industry which require more capital because raw material should be converted into finished products and the time taken gap is more. In trading account, it do not require more capital because it does not manufacture, but it should have control over inventory. Another type of the industry is there that is called service industry, which do not require any inventory working capital, but it is required least working capital. Then comes scales of operation. There are three types of scales of operation. That is regarding large scale, which have higher scale of operation, and inventory and debtors is also high. Medium scale, where mediumly operated and the debtors are in medium. Low scale operations, where debtors and inventory are not more and working capital required is less. Business cycle. Working capital depends upon the business cycle. When there is a boom in the business, like in festival season, then more working capital is required. When there is a slack or depression in the business, it requires less working capital. Then it comes about seasonal factors. Seasonal factors is related to the when there is a season for festival or any season like summer, they wear higher cotton clothes. During winter, they wear sweaters and warm clothes. Like that, when season is higher, level is carried out, large amount of working capital is required. When the season is slack or lower working capital is required. Production cycle. Time taken for converting to raw material to finished product is longer, then more working capital is required. Vice versa, when less time is taken for converting the raw material to finished products, less working capital is required. Credit allow. Then comes firms allow credit terms depending upon the level of competition. The firm has got clients competition and faces a liberal credit policy results in formation of higher amount of debtors, increase in requirement of working capital. Credit availed. As firms allows credit to its customers, it also avails credit from its suppliers also. The extent of credit availed of purchases reduces the working capital. Operating efficiency. Firms should have managed inventory ratio by selling more goods, finished goods, which reduces the inventory turnover. And vice versa, debtors turnover can be reduced by collecting more amount of receivables from the customers. Next comes applicability of raw materials. Continuous supply of raw materials is required for production of goods. Some materials are available continuously. Therefore, company buy higher stock of materials to avoid uninterrupted supply. This results in large amount of working capital required. Growth prospectus. When a company is growing, higher amount of working capital is required to meet the higher production and sales target. Naturally, no level of competition. When there is a competition in the market to meet the urgent orders from the customers, it requires more working capital. Vice versa, competition may be faced on extent of liberal credit. Then comes inflation. Inflation refers to the rise in price constantly and maintenance of producting of sales or inventory capital is required. Any change in effect of prices, the raw materials or labor cost or ancillaries such as transportation, then automatically price will be more and working capital required more. Thank you, viewers. If you have interested in my channel, kindly subscribe